Hi everyone. So today we're going to go over Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency and just some information about it in case you are deciding to go in this risky investment. I think everyone should know a little bit about it. Okay, so let's just go over what is Bitcoin, and I'll just simply give you a little overview and then we'll dig into it more. So basically, I'll just tell you what Bitcoin is. It's virtual currency, or currently called cryptocurrency, and it's controlled by a decentralized network of users that isn't subject to central banking authorities or national governments. And there's hundreds of these cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is the most popular, so that's why everyone knows Bitcoin. Traditional currencies such as the US dollar, Bitcoin value is more of a is relative to other currencies and physical goods. Bitcoins can be subdivided into decimals representing smaller units of value. So the smallest Bitcoin unit is called a satoshi, or 0.000000001 Bitcoin. So let's get into it a little bit more so I can simplify it for you. Okay, so here we go. First, you need to decide where you're going to buy your Bitcoin. Where am I going to buy my Bitcoin? Well, I told you about Robinhood. Robinhood, you can buy your Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies there, and it is the one with the link below where you get your free stock, and it's the best for beginner users. So, and then you want to think about how to store your cryptocurrency. That's important because people, like if you're buying cryptocurrency, you need to either put it in a hot wallet or cold wallet. And then let's see. Okay, so you're going to decide where I'm going to buy my Bitcoin. So you can buy them on CoinMama, CoinMama, and this exchange trades in 8 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and it requires a minimum of $60 purchase and charges a transaction fee of 5.9% plus an additional 5% fee for credit card purchases. Gemini is a US-based crypto exchange that trades Bitcoins, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Zcash. And the transaction fees range from 0.99 to 1.49% of your order, and then a fee of about 0.5%. Binance, Binance, is the world's largest exchange by volume for all cryptocurrencies, and they charge a 0.1% fee for all crypto trades. Some discounts can be available, and there's a withdrawal fee. So you can only make purchases using cryptocurrency, and I think they have option to pay by credit card for additional fee. So there's a lot of fees in this. And then Coinbase, it's a popular, seems to be a U.S. Bitcoin buyers because you can link your bank account, and you can buy Ethereum, that's one of the cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies. And it charges a spread, and that's about a 0.5% fee, and the fee is greater of the variable percentage based on region and payment type. So, or a flat fee that ranges anywhere from $99 to $299, depending on there. And I am going to dig into Coinbase a little bit more, investigate that, because I had earn.com, which was one of the original coin buying platforms, and it went away and I lost all my money in there, and now I have an email saying, oh, Coinbase is the new thing. So I really want to investigate it. And the people that were in Earn, I want to say the right one, earn.com, they're saying that Coinbase bought earn.com, and so I really, really want to know what happened to my money over there. So like I said, Bitcoin is one of the most versatile cryptocurrencies around. It's been around since a while now, and everyone, that got in it before, remember it was like, went up to 500, 1,000, even went up to, so high, then it crashed and came back down, but it's still around like 8,000, 9,000. And people like it because there's user anonymity. So they have source codes and is designed to publicly record Bitcoin transactions and data without revealing the identity of the individuals or groups involved. So there's codes to identify them with other users. So it's completely anonymous. And there's Bitcoin exchanges that allows users to exchange Bitcoin units for fiat currencies like dollars, euros. And so that's why some people like it. They like that the banks and the federal government can't regulate it, even though there's countries that are trying to regulate it, and Russia was trying to block it. So there's all kind of interesting things. It used to be anonymous, or still is anonymous right now. But if they are being regulated, that will be interesting to see what happens. And Bitcoin's blockchain is vital to its function. And so that's how it works on blockchains. They have private keys. So I want to go over a little bit further so you understand a little bit more. Okay, so the Robinhood, like I said, you can buy Bitcoins on it, and Robinhood charges no fees for Bitcoin trades. So that's the one that has no fees I told you about. You get the free stock for joining. You can use my link to sign up. And then TradeStation also allows you to trade Bitcoins, zero fees, zero count minimums. And TradeStation has a promotion up to $2,500 for a qualifying deposit, which is nice. Okay, so other ways to buy or invest in Bitcoins. Bitcoin ATMs. So you can buy and sell Bitcoins like Coin ATM Radar. You can buy peer-to-peer Bitcoin owners. You can buy Bitcoins directly. You can buy them on Craigslist through peer-to-peer tools like Bisq, Bitquick, and localbitcoins.com, but it says use extreme caution from buying individuals, and caution in buying Bitcoins, because I got burnt and lost a lot of money in it because the website just completely went away. But oh no, years later it's bought by Coinbase, but I can't sign in. So Bitcoin futures is like TradeStation, so you can trade on Bitcoin futures, but this is pro level, for your pros. And then Grayscale Funds. Grayscale's investment is a digital currency asset manager. So Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is GBTC, and Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust is ETCG. So it says, okay, so what should you know before you buy? There's a lot of stuff. Set up a cryptocurrency account. You need to provide your information, so security number, your bank account, your debit card, your credit card, and your picture ID. It says don't use a credit card. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency investments are not insured by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation. So, that's a little bit thing. But and then you need to remember how to store your Bitcoins. Hot wallet. Remember I talked about hot wallet? So here are a couple of hot wallets. Coinbase. Coinbase is very popular. Coinbase offers free online hot wallets and issues losses due to security breaches or hacks. Electrum, it allows your Bitcoin to be stored on your laptop or desktop computer. So that's Electrum, Electrum. Blockchain is an online hot wallet, and blockchain isn't a currency exchange. It's more of an active target for, it's considered a less attractive target for hackers. So weigh your pros and cons between blockchain wallet and Coinbase wallet. And then there's Mycelium. It's a mobile Bitcoin wallet. So they have versions for Android and iPhone users. That's a Mycelium, Mycelium. And then there's the cold wallets. The cold wallets are Trezor, Trezor. And then there's Ledger Nano, Ledger Nano. And then so, let's see. Okay. Right now, Bitcoins are I would say, my opinion, are overvalued. And so since they're overvalued, it's, I always worry of being overvalued because you're getting it way overpriced. So you might have to hold a long time, or who knows. So these are some of the ones, and there's Bitcoin. I'll list some of the names. Bitcoin, we have no Bitcoins, and Bitcoin's market cap is 238 yada 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 billion approximately. So that's the leading one, most popular. Then there's Ethereum. That was the new one. Ethereum. Ethereum. And that has approximately 124 billion market cap. Then there's Ripple, RIPPLE. It has 81 billion market cap. And I'm doing approximately because there's more numbers in there. Bitcoin Cash is around 43 billion. Cardano, CARDANO, market cap 20 billion. And then Litecoin is around 13 billion. So, and there's a lot of volume in there. So people were saying there's a bubble, and people are like, it's the new gold, like first there was like the oil rush. First there was the gold rush, then the oil rush, and then the Bitcoin rush. Well, did you, like of anything, if you're coming into the market really late and the value is sky high, do you get into it? So this is just a risky thing. But everyone kept on asking about Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, like I said, there's a lot of steps into it, like where you buy it. Watch the fees. So Robinhood is very nice about that. Then where you store it. So that's really important. Where you store it, how you get your money out. So do look into those things, and then just watch how high it is, and like watch if it's regulations, if countries are blocking the use of it, or all these things, because every day, every week, every month, every year, from year to year, economic conditions, government regulations, they will change, and maybe there'll be the new popular thing coming around, and everyone's going to jump on the bandwagon. But so always do your due diligence or research. But I just wanted to kind of just go over Bitcoin and just tell you about it. Try to help you understand what it is a little bit more, and how technical it is, and why it was popular. But it's very technical. And then, like I said, people says that it's, they like it because they are anonymous. And it says Bitcoin does grow more valuable. So a Bitcoin energy consumption, Bitcoin mining consumption is approximately 51 trillion tegawatts of electricity per year as of February 2018. So Bitcoin owns code places a strict limit on the number of Bitcoin units that can ever exist. So 21 million. So there's a finite supply, and every 4 years or so, they rate half. So security issues and risk of theft. So security issues, risk of theft. It says the Bitcoin units are virtually impossible to duplicate, but that doesn't mean they're immune to theft or fraud. So there's always hackers. And to a Bitcoin's strengths, political independence, strong anonymity protection makes it attractive. Could make it more attractive to, let's quote unquote, thieves and quote unquote fraudsters. So it's kind of like the legal gray area for jurisdictions of Bitcoin. So, Bitcoins to do or to, it's up to you, but everyone's talking about Bitcoin, so you might as well at least learn what it is, and, be smart about it, because you don't want anyone to come and go, oh, hey, buy Bitcoins, I'm buying Bitcoins, I'm doing good. And then you jump on the train wagon and you didn't even know that you have to have a wallet and how to pull your thing out, and that it's really high right now. It could go really down, and we're in an economic, position this year. 2020 is not the best with the pandemic and jobs and businesses going down. So, always do your due diligence. Remember, this is my disclaimer. I'm doing just cliff notes for you because I have a lot of single moms, guys and girls, and beginners and newbies that are working, and they're like, oh, can you just, just help give me cliff notes and summaries, because you're so great at that. So I promised everyone I would start the podcast to help everyone just get excited about compound interest. But, you should always look into all areas so your knowledge will go, I feel really good with investing my money in the bank. It just feels good to me. Or I feel really good investing in my 401k or an IRA, or I'm just going to dip a little bit into stocks and keep my cash on hand, but 10% into, whatever investment you want. So be smart and wise with your money and become a mogul. Let's get rich.